The average American consumed the equivalent of 7.1 gallons of pure alcohol a year. That's nearly 1,000 shots of liquor for every man, woman, and child over 15 years of age.
Yeah.
Up in Virginia, Tickle's partnership has hit a rough patch. Now, Tickle's going rogue, trying to come up with an alternative source of funds for their legal distillery.
Me and Tim, we just kind of had an argument, and I'm not happy about that. We've been friends for a long time, you know. Our friendship goes back for years. We've been making moonshine together for a long time. And I really do want to go legal with Tim. You know, that way we're not taking a risk of getting in trouble, but I'm thinking on it, you know, and trying to figure out a way to make this better.
A few miles away, Tim found a location to hide his backup stash of moonshine. It's worth over $10,000 tax-free. But transporting it, a whole other ballgame.
I'm looking at this back of BLD and it's, you know, a safe location. I don't want to get in and get stuck. I want to have 2 or 3 different ways to go in and out.
Tim already scouted the location during the day. Next step is to do a dry run at night to ensure he knows every inch of the place, in case the law comes knocking.